For this development project, Eagalis Land Berhad has choose a strategic location for our development project, which is located in the district of Iskandar Puteri. For the proposed site, the selected site are the land with lot number of 110,100 and 110,101 in Kampung Maju Jaya. The total area for the site is approximately 5.964 hectares or 14.737 acres. The location has high potential for development as it is located in rural area and lack of development occurs surround the site. Thus, it will attract more manufacturer to work in our development project as it is easy to access from many way. For this site, the soil is considered flat and clay. The surface is covered with bushes, grasses and shrub. Some of the area is bare ground as it has been accessed by the villager for their shortcut to their destination. Before start any development, access to site must be considered. For this site, there are several ways to go there, which are Jalan Bukit Impian, Jalan Kempas Lama and Jalan Kampung Maju Jaya. The site is accessible through Lorong Manggis and Jalan Bunga Mawar. Existing pre-mixed tar roads make it easier to move and enter the required plant and materials to the proposed site. The industrial development surrounded by proposed site are Eco World Gallery, Eco Business Park 1, Sesha Business Park 2. There are several residential development around this site which are Kampung Sinaran Baru, Kampung Baru Sri Aman, Taman Kempas Indah, Bandar Dato On. For commercial development, the nearest commercial to the site is Ion Mall Bandar Dato On. There are several supplier that located near to our site such as wood supplier, aggregate supplier, plank, timber and rebar supplier, steel material and structure supplier, paint supplier, factory equipment supplier. There are 3 companies that prepare plant and machinery services, such as Truck Nation Malaysia, Sunway Enterprise 1988, Perfect Heavy Machinery, The proposed site is near to Jalan Kempas Lama and North-South Expressway. Furthermore, this site also completed with existing road that lead to the proposed site. For public transport, the existing public transport is Bus Muafakat Johor. Community services that available are Clinic Desa Maju Jaya, Masjid Jamek Al Falah, Sekolah Kebangsaan Maju Jaya, Sekolah Agama Kampung Maju Jaya, Public Hall, Petrol Station. For public services, the proposed site is completed with the services that will ease the development process. There are electrical supply, water supply, fiber optic line, drainage and sewerage, According to the website of Department of Statistic Malaysia, the total population in Malaysia is 33.3 million, whereas 1,579,500 of it are from Johor Bahru. To avoid any further problem during development process, physical environment quality must be considered. For air quality, according to the website of aqicn.org, our proposed site is in moderate quality. Thus it is perfect for further development. Whereas, for water quality there are nearest small river available within 30 meters to the site. The river is Sungai Tebrau. For sound quality, since this location is in rural area, less sound pollution occur. Furthermore, it is far from city, so no traffic jam occur and low noise pollution from the vehicle. According to the DOSH, Malaysia economic grew 3.6% for the fourth quarter of 2019. Manufacturing is the main sector that contribute to the growth of economic, followed by construction sector. All of this growth is also supported by other factors such as services and agriculture. For this development, our target market is company from small and medium enterprise. Here are the data about economic performance that relate to the industrial in 2019. Local authorities' future plan on developing the land up until 2025. Example designs for our proposed development project. SWOT analysis. The strengths of the proposed development are: number 1, lower influence to the surrounding residents; number 2, located near to main road; number 3, located at development area. Meanwhile, the weakness of the proposed development are: number 1, competitors from other industrial properties; number 2, located far from the Johor city; number 3, lower level of security. Threats of the proposed project: number 1, environment surrounding; number 2, disturbance to the ecosystem; number 3, strict regulations for environmental impact assessment. And the opportunities from the proposed project: number 1, develop the rural area; number 2, provide job opportunities; number 3, high demand due to double-digit growth in e-commerce sales. As a conclusion, demand of industrial building and site location should be considered to determine the market suitability and sell potential of the proposed project. Hence, our proposed project has some of the features and characteristic needed for development. It has a high potential to become successful and profitable in the future.